Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create strobe border text effect in CapCut PC. For instance, I'm going to select library and select black screen, and I'm going to add text. Select default text, adjust for iteration is only, and change for text. And you can resize and change for font style and color, and go to animation, select loop, and you can find the stroke border. Just click on it. There you go. This is the final effect you'll have on your text. I hope this tutorial was able for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.